To another live stream. I hope you guys are having an amazing afternoon and feel a little bit, I don't know, motivated after that call with Phoenix over there, man. I mean, dude, that was super powerful. As you guys can see, man, I mean, this is why we do what we do over here, so that you guys have the ability to come in and change your own situation. So many people have done it. Now it is your guys' turn, man. So team, let's see what the market's going to give us throughout the rest of the day. But this is going to be awesome, man. So team, keep smacking the living shit out of the like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Dude, I mean, you're never going to see anybody help you guys the way that we have. Gabe and I were just talking for a bit. We are doing everything that we have set out to do with the platform, with everything for you guys. So again, we're going to hook up Phoenix with either lifetime or 3-year, whatever our system is going to enable us to do right now. But team, I mean, it just goes to show the proof is in the pudding. And I know some of you guys might be nervous at the end of the day because there's so much bullshit out there. You might have listened to these other idiots on YouTube and have a bad taste at these services, man. But again, at the end of the day, you guys see it all each and every day, the amount of printing that's done around here. If you guys do want over 90% off your first month to the platform, the QR code is on the screen. The link should be in the live chat. It's pinned to the top over there. And again, team, if you do want to upgrade to 3-year, make sure you reach out to Diana before the end of the day. We have that masterclass coming for you guys on Sunday. We've got all of the new private streams coming for you guys next week. We've also released Speed Racer to all of you 3-year and lifetimers too. So once you guys sign up, let us know. We'll send you the link to Speed Racer. But let's do it. Looking forward to your millionaire interview, Phoenix. Dude, that's going to be an awesome one. When Phoenix hits that million number, I might cry. Like, that would be pretty insane, man. Phoenix hitting that million from starting where he is and the situation that he's been in for a while. I mean, again, man. Does the banner have to stay on the screen? Yep. It does. I just got an Instagram message. 130% on SPY puts, was up 400% on puts yesterday. Stop loss strategy and only ride in the free ones. See, guys, at this point, if you don't see the power of the system and you're going to continue to look elsewhere, you're going to fail, dude. It is what it is at this point. You want to go lose money in the market. That's fine by me. You guys need us. We don't need you. We enjoy you, but that's fucking ridiculous, the amount of gains that you guys have been making. But team, keep smacking the like button on the way in. We're going to get Gabe on here in a little bit too. And then we're also going to get Hodl D's whole calling onto the stream as well. But team, I got to go run to grab my coffee really quick, which has been made right over there. So I will be back in literally 2 seconds. And I want to see that like button at 50 by the time I get back in literally 2 seconds, because you guys are slacking up over 3% on the day and counting. There we go. All right, team, give me like 2 seconds. All right, I'm back. You see how quick that was? You're still trying to learn calls and puts on Webull day trading. You're still not doing well. Daily Bread, you got it. How many times have I said paper trade? If you guys don't make me get mad at you again for the millionth time, Daily Bread, you should be watching the videos in paper trade until you have a good grasp of the system. If you're trading with real money right now, you're just throwing yourself into the flames for no reason. 23.5% on the port. Attaboy, Eli. There you go, dude. Fucking killing it today, guys. Good shit. Good shit, team. Oh, my God. Let's see here. All right, let's do a little bit of a roll call. How much are you guys up today? Let's see. As you guys are filtering in, as you guys are hitting the like button, how much are you guys up today? Dude, we're at fucking 385 on the SPY. This is whoa. This is crazy, dude. 4.49, 6.7, 30% on the port. You're down. I don't know how you're down 10% on your account, dude. How is that possible? How have you let that happen? 20% on the port today. There you go. 3.9. You should never be down more than 3. 15.76. Jesus. There you guys go. 15. $24 and still counting. 5.4. Great day. Oh my God. Look at these. 3.9, 10.3. Traffic lights for the win, dude. Look at this. They're everywhere. You're just tired. You just didn't care at that point. Well, then it's not the system, it's you. That's probably going to be the main thing of this call that we're going to have. I'll just preface it before. It's most likely you're just completely fucking it up. Here's why. Like there were so many traffic light. Like even if you I hit this one, nailed it. Even this one's good. This one's a quick scalp. I was on the phone with Andy when I hit this to the downside. Like like, come on, guys. You have this one down here. You literally just rode the SPY from 392, a $7 move. Even if you're trading on the 3-minute here, dude, look at this. The 3-minute on SPY, the retest here, you get it at 390.67. You get a $5 move in the SPY. Oh my God. That's why Rita's up so much, dude, because it just murders it. Bruce White, 98%? Jay Stapleton's up 21.7% on the port. Thanks, STV. You don't have to thank me, man. You just have to thank yourself for taking that leap of faith and coming into our platform, dude. That's really all it is. We just provide the teachings for you guys, and you guys are the ones implementing them at the end of the day. None of this follow trading bullshit that you see out there that's just literally hurting everybody. 98% on the week. Bruce White, you fucking animal. 28% in the last 2 days. I just got another message. That is unbelievable. Congratulations, guys. This is amazing. Again, the QR code's on the screen. 90% off your first month, team. I'll throw that link in the live chat for you guys, too. If you're not in there at this point, you might have something wrong with your brain, dude. Like, seriously. You did that thing again with Tesla? Oh, shit. Where's Tesla? Wow. Tessie's holding up nicely. I think I hit... What did I hit on Tesla? Oh, I know what I did. I know where it was. I didn't miss on Tesla today. I was a Tesla monster today, dude. I was scalping that thing left and right. 71% on the month with 1348. There you go, Vito. Again, some of you guys might get upset sometimes. The reason why about me talking about 1348 so much. This is why. I mean, this is why. You guys heard the interview with Phoenix. If you don't like it, I mean, you can leave. I genuinely don't care at this point. You guys want to come in here and make money? Cool. That's awesome. If you're going to sit here and be like, well, blah, blah, get the fuck out, dude. You just sound stupid at this point. You traded almost only Tesla today, 6.7% for the day. That's amazing, Daniel. That is amazing. All right. Keep smacking that like button on the way in, people. Don't be a slacker. Let's see. Let's see. SPY's trying here, but it's not doing. You didn't make money in the volatile market this week. Stick to long-term investing, probably. I mean, we've taught you guys how to use these traffic lights to a T, Jesus, Elgene, 20% on the day, 69% on the week. Jesus, bro. Yeah, Morrow, that's fine. You still made some decent money there, though, man. Entered on the wick on the 4 hour, the touch of the 13-month out. Steven the Millionaire Club if it hits 155. I Wreck-It Ralph, if you do that, we can do an interview, buddy. Let's see. Started off the day with 3 green trades, just hit 1 red trade, knocked me back quite a bit, still up 1% though. I mean, that's probably when you should kill it. What would Rita do? I want you guys to ask yourselves a question when you're trading. What would Rita do? Because if you ask yourself what would Rita do, you're going to have the answer as to what you should be doing with your account. I'm guessing over here that you were up well over 1% on your account, Joshua. So if you were up 4 and it comes down to 1, you're done. You're done, pal. You secure your green day and you are done for the day. But dude, I can't like the messages that you guys send me all the time. I mean, the overall amount of just life-changing things going on over here is exactly what we set out to do. You're never going to see anything like this ever again. Your SBNY puts gave you lots of confidence? Oh, I bet they did. Let's see. SPY is at 385, bro. Oh my God. This is reckless. When to get out of your Baba put? I don't know what time frame you're trading on. I have no idea what you're looking at there, Brian. How does gifting someone a month free work? You can't gift somebody a month free. No, Ryan, you'll never see a system like Trade 1348 and the life-changing things been going on ever again or anywhere else. You just won't see it. 44% on the port, 1348. We killing it today? We are. Your shares only accounts up 6% today. That's a retirement account. How the fuck did you do that? What do you just inverse everything? Like, how have you done this? How have you done this? Mine's definitely not. And I'm not looking at 5-minute time frame. Oh, okay. See, exactly. So, like, I was assuming that you were on a swing, but like, if you're looking at Baba here and you just have this 5-minute cross, you're up a lot. If you have not used the stop loss strategy or the scale, guys, I cannot stress this to you enough. Watch the videos, watch the curriculum, because everything that is in those videos is in Rita. So you have to think, what would Rita do? What would Rita do at that point? What percentage are you up? What would Rita do? What percentage? What is the chart looking like? What would Rita do? DRV and TSLQ. All right, fair enough. But all right, guys, 10 likes away from 50. I appreciate you. Don't be a slacker. It helps get these streams out to some more people. Again, for those of you guys in here that want to see more retail investors making money in the market, you guys know what to do. Up $950 today. Mike Rose, at a boy. SV been trading for 4 days and you've been green, up 40% on the port. There you go. Just keep moving your stop loss at the moment. Oh, if you have a stop and profit, Brian, you really don't have to do all that much. It's going to give you a bad fill on Baba, but oh, here comes SPY slipping a little lower. Let's see. Have a great weekend, y'all. You too, Elgene. Dude, this was such an insane week. Next week's going to be even crazier. We have CPI next week, bro. Ooh, Tessie finally went red. Tessie finally went red. More blood? Maybe. Depends on what the data says. The data this morning was mixed. You added jobs and also decreased or increased unemployment. So you can set it up on your phone, Marvin, but that's a tech support question. Go in the market talk and ask somebody how to do that. Beto next week? Beto could be interesting next week. I just, Marvin, I don't have the direct link for you right now, so you got to go ask for somebody to give it to you in market talk for the mobile charts, and then you'll be good to go. Ooh, 1 like away from 50. Thank you, team. All right, folks. Welcome to Print City, the best place to learn how to trade. I mean, you guys just got another nasty traffic light move down here, about $4 in the SPY here. So that was a $4 move, and then you were able to catch another one here on this retest down to these lows, another $3 move. So if you were trading the traffic lights today, you literally could have hit $7 of movement in the SPY. But some of you guys were just too lazy to come in and do it. It's okay. Yeah, Tessie slipping a little bit here, but I mean, watch that 171 again. It did slip it earlier today, which was interesting, but we'll see. I nailed those Tesla moves today, dude. Here comes SPY even lower, bro. Watch 385 break. When was the last time that we were at 385? Oh, it really wasn't that long ago. Oh, January 6th? I mean, that's a pretty long time ago. Not in terms of like market time, but like in terms of time. Like Aaron, like if you guys follow me on Instagram, or no, I didn't post on Instagram, but I posted on Twitter how much I'm up today. It is, let's see. The Twitter screenshot is 5.73. It's all traffic lights, guys. Can I explain Rita? Rita is our autonomous trading algorithm that trades the strategy that we teach you guys. The Rita that we like the most is up 36% in about 3 days after we basically reset them all to a baseline to track and have a control. But even before that, they were already really nicely green. So Rita is it's probably, if you haven't heard about Rita yet, once Rita is ready for prime time, literally everybody and their mother is going to be talking about Rita, dude. So again, you guys all have access to the things that Rita is seeing, and that's in the strategy that we teach you guys all the time. It's just you have to then go and take action if you want to change your current situation. You will never get rich following somebody else's trades. That's not going to happen. So for those of you guys that are still doing that, I mean, how's your portfolio doing? Probably pretty fucking terrible. It doesn't work. It's not teaching you anything. It's a bad thing to be doing. Taking quick scalps today, 40, 50, and 25%. Rob, fuck yeah, buddy. There you go. Hopefully you're using the stop loss strategy to capitalize on these moves, but dude, this has been nuts. I'd have to take a look, KP. I don't have it up right now. Today was great. Today was great. I've been trading with the traffic lights for 2 weeks and the portfolio is up 42%. Tom, monster. Monster. So again, guys, the QR code's on the screen. I'll throw that link to you guys in here too to get 90% off your first month to the platform. Do it or don't. At this point, you want to go continue losing money in the market, that's on you. Let's see. The dings. That's an Andy question, KPR. I can't fix that. That's an Andy question. So I would reach out to Andy for that one. Sounds like a tech support question. Wayne, also tech support question. Go in the questions channel and ask a question and somebody will be back and get you. Guys, I can't help you with this now. I'm streaming. Bad financial decisions. Yeah, stop loss strategy. That's why we have tech support, guys. So you can go ask them these questions. I'm streaming right now. I can't help you with this. Spy's frustrating? No, it's not. The spy's beautiful. Slack the like button, you slackers. Algo, appreciate that, buddy. Well, your Discord doesn't, nope. If you're in the free lobby, you can still go ask questions. I don't want to hear it. You're making excuses. The free lobby literally has a thing called questions that you can go put your questions in. We just realized all your games today were in calls. You were done by 10:55. There you go. There you go. You didn't get to play the way down. Well, then, Ryan, you hesitated again. And there's nothing I can do with helping you with hesitation. Oh, you were busy? Oh, fair enough then. Then you shouldn't get upset about it. If you were busy during that time, then it's fine. That's going to happen. All right, guys, keep smacking the like button on the way in. Let's keep getting after it today. I mean, dude, I'm done for the day. I'm not trading anything else, but this was a wild day. Is TLT setting up how you wanted? No. TLT is going to go off of Powell. I won't just trade TLT, but I need it off of Powell, which could actually be the end of this year. STV wanted to pop in and let you know how appreciative I am for everything you guys have done. I am now up 227% for the week after a play today that I hit for a 200% gain. Traffic lights for the win. Dude, again, you guys see it everywhere. Those of you guys that are still going to other people and think that they have the solution, they don't. We do. It is what it is, man. I mean, you guys want to come in here and join us, you can. If not, have fun losing money. Algo made 7% overall on the port on your personal port. You still have settle cash left, but you're done for the day. Yeah, man. I mean, it is what it is. It's so simple, dude. The traffic lights are so simple. Let's see. Spy's in the 384 range now. This is ridiculous. This is actually nuts, bro. Yeah, Eli, that's a great way to lose. Oh, dude, you have no idea what I'm about to do this year. This is going to be fun. This week was nuts. On Monday, we were hunting 410. I know. But Here's the thing you guys got to realize. What were we saying last week about the market and those statements? Actually, here's what I want you guys to I'm going to ask this question and I want you guys to say what it is and the answer in the live chat. What was I screaming from the rooftops last week after Bostic spoke? What was I saying? Does anybody remember? You should. What were we saying after Bostic? When he came out last week and all of a sudden the market just started exploding. Look at Market Talk. What happened in Market Talk? Ho! 182% gains in the SPY. Good shit, dude. The moves up were nonsense. Exactly. Why were the moves up nonsense, though? Boric, you too, buddy. Have a great weekend. Why were the moves up nonsense off of the statements? The reason is because nothing new was actually said and the situation was not materially different. So when you see the market do what it did, you have to ask yourself, okay, everything that came out was just bad and we're pumping going into Powell? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Now, am I going to trade based off of that? No, but we were spot on. I mean, then we just murdered the traffic lights every single day. No, it was because what the statements that Bostic actually said, the first one was like a weird, like, basically it would be like me saying like, oh, if I had $1 million, if I had like $10 million, I'd buy a Ferrari. Well, yeah, obviously I would do that. Like, if you think about it, he basically said, yeah, if things look good, we'll stop raising rates by summertime. And it's like, well, yeah, that's how that works. But then the follow-up statement, which is the one that the market should have been thinking about, because remember, the markets are going to hear what they want to hear. The follow-up statement was, well, if data doesn't look good, we're going to hike it into a fucking oblivion, which is what the market started pricing in after Powell because the data wasn't good and the statements that he was making were not good. SPY knifing even more here. This is insane, dude. This is actually ridiculous. JPM puts. I mean, I don't think the large banking institutions are gonna get like nailed like that. I mean, it is JP Morgan's up today. I don't think that they would be the ones that get nailed. The smaller banks would. Huh, that's actually interesting. You should have chased. You should never ever say that again. I should have chased. Never. You should take that statement out of your vocabulary. No, you should have never chased. So again, guys, you want to come to the best place to learn how to trade? You've got 90% off your first month. We've made this accessible to everybody. Simple. Simple, simple, simple stuff. Deleted? Good. Good. Delete that from your vocabulary too. What did we say? There was a Tesla trade today that I wanted, I think. Where was it? Oh, it was this one. I think it was this one that I wanted on Tesla that I didn't take because it was just blasting up. I'm never going to chase this. I mean, I think I nailed this retest here and wrote it up. But at the same time, it's like, why would we ever chase anything? Maybe a pump? Maybe. Maybe we get a pump. I don't know. Who knows, man? This market's on crack. Do we all have $5 the first month? If it's the first month, which Daniel, it's not your first month, so no. But it's only for new people coming in. For affiliates? Yeah. So if you're an affiliate and you want to reach out to people and give them 90% off their first month, yeah, the affiliates can use that as marketing material if you guys want to. I mean, all of you guys can become affiliates too. Let's see. Do I have any more to approve today? Oh, I got a few. I'll approve some of you guys over there. Your stops are set to break even on Tesla puts? Nah. Break even. I mean, you should be well into the green up there. I mean, this is looking like it wants to hunt the traffic light back to the upside. You'll share it around? Awesome, Daniel. Awesome, buddy. Yeah, and then when they become members, you guys get a little monthly recurring revenue there. You refer like 2 or 3 people and your monthly cost is paid for. Let's see. A little push up here. Took profits already and set stops at the rest at break even. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, if you already took profits, you're good to go. You are good to go, buddy. All right, team. 30 likes away from 100. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see, team. Is it going to finally try and get that push up? I mean, this thing on the 5 minutes probably blasted. Yeah, dude. Like, this thing on the 5 minute is literally on fire. Like, yeah, rejected back down. This thing hasn't gone above the 13 since when? 1240? Let's see. TLT, is it moving? I'm not touching TLT until you get what you need from the Fed. It's not. You're trying to not. I'm not trying to catch a slow move in TLT. I'm trying to catch a giant move. This is what you're trying to get on TLT, not this. Could this be the start? It could. Ooh, it does have a daily traffic light though. I don't think it's gonna break though. Like my TLT video was here in November before this run, but this is not the run I'm looking for. So I don't care if that makes sense. 101 to 105. Yeah, it's good, but it's not what I'm looking for. Congratulations if you played it, but it's not the move that I'm looking for yet. I need something from the move's going to come a little bit later. If it's going to do it. There are two ways that it can happen. It's this flight to safety or just emergency rate cuts. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, Chris, I really don't. Because here's the thing. Why would I use more mental capacity than I need to in a trade? Trading is stressful enough as it is when you're in these trades. Why would I then add more things to it to then just make it more why? It's not worth it for everybody. You made 2.5% and felt satisfied, so you look back and saw your puts up majorly. Yeah, I mean, the only way to do that is, again, stop loss strategy. Simple as that, guys. Just like what Rita does. Just like what Rita does. All right, let's see. Dude, this has been an amazing fuck around and find out Friday. I nailed it today. Dude, the day I didn't miss today. I had 0 losers today. I probably took like 6 trades, which is a little bit much, but like I think I was explaining this to Andy when I was on the phone with him earlier. Like sometimes I'm in trades for 20 seconds. Like sometimes that's just how it goes. I buy it, it rips up a little bit, I can scale out, and then we're good to go. Is Rita trading with real money? Right now, no. Right now, Rita's in testing. Rita's trading with as close as physically possible to real everything. There's one last thing that we need to test on Rita before she's ready for prime time. When playing the 1 minute, do you guys use, for instance, the bigger time frame like the hourly, the daily chart for a bias? Sort of. Yeah, we can use the 4 hour. When I'm doing the 1 minute, no, I don't give a fuck. When I'm trading on the 1 minute, I don't give a shit about the daily. I care about the 3 and the 5. So like I will size up a little bit more if the 3 and the 5 are already in agreement because that's what the longer trend is saying. But like the daily is not going to help, or even the hourly is not going to help with a 1 minute trade. So Tessie coming back to the upside here. Spy trying to make a little bit of an attempt. And think about it here too. What would Rita do? Would Rita do that? No. Thank you for the quick reply. No problem, buddy. No problem. All right, team. Keep smacking that like button on the way in. Oh, Phoenix. Hold on. Phoenix. Don't. Make sure you use the code. Don't. Yeah. Hold on. I think you did it, right? Yeah, I saw what you just tried to do. You did? You're good? Okay. As long as you have access to everything, you're good. So we're trying to hook up Phoenix with his 3-year right now. It worked? Okay, cool. Awesome. Then we're good to go. Awesome, Phoenix. Shout out to you, buddy. I mean, it's always interesting to hear your guys' stories, man. And I know sometimes you guys might get annoying. Need the new URL. Oh, for Speed Racer? I'll send that to you right now. Let me do this. I'll send that to you right now. Just Phoenix, please don't send this to anybody. Like, oh wait, that's the wrong one. This is the right one. All right, Phoenix, I just sent you the link. You should be good to go. I won't. I know. I'm just saying. What would Rita do? Bumper stickers for the Lambo? Dude, maybe. I mean, I might have to put Rita on my license plate when I get a car. That's the thing, too. Like, I don't think you guys realize how much of a fucking demon I'm going to be on social media. Because remember, you guys have, like, heard, like, a tiny, tiny little bit of the nonsense that we've had to deal with. When I let Rita fly, I am going to talk so much shit and piss everybody off, bro. And I'm going to flaunt your guys' gains like no tomorrow, just like we do now. It is going to be an all-out shit show on social media. It's going to be so much fun. Like, you guys have no idea what the last year and a half was. And again, we've told you guys a little bit about it, but there's way more that's happened behind the scenes with just people that you would think are good people, but are actually just fucking scum of the earth losers. Is Gabe doing mornings all next week? Yeah. And I am going to fucking talk so much shit. I also have something up my sleeve too. Oh. I have something big up my sleeve that whenever I want to use it, I will. You just linked your Speed Racer ready for next week? There you go, Mike. Let's see. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the win. You got 19 more until 100. It's fuck around and find out Friday. This has been a great week, man. This has been a great fucking week with you guys. I hope you guys are ready for next week. What percentage move was that to the other traffic light? This one? I'll tell you right now. If you get this retest here, even on this, the top of this candle, 0.92, that's a $3.58 move. To the bottom, it's $5. Spy! Woo! I'm gonna get evicted. Done for the day. 32.3% on the port. Killed those traffic lights. There you guys go, man. Again, I'll throw you guys this link right here too to get 93% off your first month. Your first month in the platform's $5, dude. And you have all weekend to go over the curriculum videos and start getting after it, man. Let's do it. Phoenix, let me know if you're all set to go. I think you're all good to go now. You should be. I mean, this was perfect here. Traffic light retest. Guys, how much more how much simpler do I have to make it for you? Traffic light retest, you just got another. That's $1.40. Oh my God, bro. What? I cannot stress this enough to you guys. What are you doing that who is not trading the traffic lights? That's $1.40 move off of the retest just now. Oh my God. I'm done for the day because I already murdered it. $1.50? 2 for 2 on the day. Stoplights plus or traffic lights plus stop loss equals 9% on the port. Dude, what are you doing, bro? Boom, traffic light, retest, nailed it. Oh my God, guys. Woo! You guys don't know how good you have it. Ooh. Boom. Every day we show you guys this stuff. Another one. Yep. You played the 1 minute down on SPY after the 5 minute 200 rejection. Fuck yeah, not a hedge fund. There you go, buddy. There you go, bro. Oh, I have so many short form videos to make with you guys this week too. Oh my God, this is going to be sweet. This is going to be dirty. Dude, you even after this retest here, you still nailed it. SPY's down 4.75% on the week. That's ridiculous. Let's see. Many, many more millionaire interviews are coming to you guys, team. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are ready. QR code's on the screen. Why not you? Oh, God. Kenny, you got the port up 75% on the week, 821% since February 1st. So all the 1348 haters in the Twitterverse can suck it. Dude, that's amazing. Kenny, what's the account up now? Did you cross 1,000 yet from 100? Oh, no. What are you at? 821? Because you did have a little hiccup, but that's awesome. You have a feeling Monday will be chopped with Data Tuesday? I would agree with you. $911 from 100. Jesus, bro. I don't know if he's coming on now. He's kind of late, so I don't know if he's coming back on. But hold on, these we can get you on a call for sure on Monday. It's just I can tell you right now, it's your emotions getting the best of you, and you're gonna get some tough love on this call when we do it because you're probably making just such dumb mistakes. Like, oh, he said he was. Oh, perfect. Oh, my bad. 921.31. So you're up 800% since February 1st. That's insane, bro. That's ridiculous. Congratulations, dude. Yeah, and again, guys, make sure you guys reach out to Diana before the end of the day to make sure that you guys can upgrade to 3-year in order to get in for the masterclass this weekend, all the new live streams next week, and we can send you the link to Speed Racer. Well, no, he already has the link. I already sent him the link before I got on. And there goes SPY after the retest back up. This is now, what's this move right now off this retest here? $1.50. You're welcome. Do your worst. Probably will. So to upgrade, all we do is message Diana and wait for an email. Yeah, she'll send you or you got to send her a DM after you message her. You should just go in the Discord and be like, at Diana, I want to upgrade, and then she'll help you out and do it. Dude, look at you lost 80% of your account on Powell Day. Well, okay, I can tell you right now that you traded like a fucking moron. I can tell you that right now. You went on tilt. You let your emotions get the best of you. You oversize and let things go too far. Simple as that, man. So, like, if you just play these moves, traffic light to traffic light, this one right here, boom, nailed it. $2 move, bro. You said, I don't know how the traffic lights help. This brings up the potential for the dollar amount that you could have hit on SPY today for, what was this? $3. Let's just, okay, it's 360, but let's just say $3 because I'm being generous. Then let's say, okay, well, I have to move the fucking screen for this one. So that was $3. Let's just say, because we're not going to bottom and top ticket. Let's say that's $4, even though it's 5. So that enables you to hit $7 of SPY movement plus this 2. Well, actually, it's more now off of this retest here. So that brought you up to $7. That's $9 of SPY movement with options. Bing, bang, boom, you're done. But that's not the problem. You just got pissed and gave up. No, you didn't. You didn't get pissed and gave up because you lost 80%. So in order for you to lose 80%, you have to do something absolutely fucking stupid. Like, I'll tell you right now, you did something really dumb. I don't know what you did, but it was dumb. Started your account on Monday with 122. You're at 386 with the first week using the platform. So that's a profit of 200%. Let's go, Vix. Shoot the moon. Fuck yeah, guys. I love this, dude. Yeah, you're revenge trading. You're not following the rules. Like, that's the thing. Like, it's impossible for you to be down that much if you're following the rules. Do you know how I know that? Rita follows the rules, and it nailed all the Powell days. So it's you not following the system and probably letting other nonsense get into your head. You started at 1,800, brought your account to 5K, now back to 900. Right. So you're taking on way too much risk. Like, I can't, this call, if we do end up doing it today, like, I literally could just tell you to go watch the videos right now and rewatch them, and then you're going to be fine and follow the damn rules. Because what you've done is something really dumb. And I know I'm sounding like an asshole here, but like, in order for you to change, I have to be. I'm trying to help you. The only way for me to help you, if I sat here and be like, well, it's okay, that's not going to help anybody. So what you need to do is, one, size the fuck down, stop trading 0 days, which I'm guessing is what you did. And you cannot let your emotions get the best of you. Because if you think about it, and I'm always going to bring this back to Rita now, because Rita's an absolute monster. What would Rita do in these situations? Play traffic light to traffic light, use the traffic lights as its risk, and use the stop loss strategy in order to fully capitalize on its gains. When you simplify it down to that, it's very, very, very hard to fuck it up. Like, extremely hard. That's why Rita's able to have so much success. That's why all of these other members are able to have so much success, man, because they're not letting all this other nonsense get to them. They're not trying to think, oh, what's the dollar 10-year? What's the head and shoulder? What's the demand zone? No. None of that. Traffic light, risk management, print. That's what I would say that you should do. Follow the traffic lights, use decent risk management, stop fucking around with 0 days, and stop oversizing. That's probably the fix right there. I probably just answered all the questions because the call is going to be like, okay, here's another one. What were the trades that you fucked up on? Let's just do it right now. What were the trades that you fucked up on that got you down that much? We can go through it right now. You definitely had a 0 day on Powell, but I stopped after that. I was going back and forth before Powell, then Powell just killed you. Well, which day was it? Because if it was Tuesday, here's the thing. Even if it was Tuesday, I got to show you this because this is probably going to make you upset. This was the first day of Powell here. Look what happened. Where were the traffic lights? You had a traffic light to the upside here. You get a traffic light down, confirms, retest. So even if you were in this play, you could have scaled out here and then entered on this traffic light down. And then the traffic light's telling you that this thing's going to knife and you catch this giant ass move. It's $3. It's more than that. Then the second day of Powell, okay, then what happens? Well, even then, why are we trading going into news? That makes no sense. You get this traffic light up. This one works. This one's on a news candle, so you probably wouldn't be touching this. And then it just chops around a little bit before it ends up knifing throughout later in the day and then rips back up at the end. And then you had all day today with the beautiful traffic lights. Mike, thanks for the super, buddy. Like, I could almost walk through every single, like, all of the trades here and be like, well, I'm up 3.4%. However, I'm risking. What? The knife on Powell day killed you. Why were you in calls, though? That's what I have to say to you right now. Hold of these. Why were you in calls leading up into Powell? Because if you were in calls leading up to Powell, you violated two things. One, you're basically playing in a binary event where it could fly all over the place. Two, the traffic light was telling you that it was going to come down. And exactly why no stop loss either. See, here's the thing. The system isn't broken. You are. You're just violating all the rules. It hits support. What do you mean? Either way, you're trading into news, which doesn't make sense to do. So here's what I want you to do, hold of these. And this is literally the only way that you're going to actually have success with this system and in this market. You need to forget what you think you know about the market. Because as your performance is showing, the other stuff that you're trying to implement doesn't fucking work. It is irrefutable how well these traffic lights work with Rita and everything of that nature. Okay. So what you have to do is go back to the drawing board, stop doing this other nonsense, whatever you're trying to do, and listen to and think to yourself, what would Rita do? Rita is trading, using traffic lights as its risk. Now, again, Rita's an algorithm, so it's going to trade through news just because. I mean, that's one of the things that we might change on Rita, to just not have it do anything when Powell's speaking. But besides that, in normal scenarios, you have to manage your risk and your emotions, and you cannot let these other nonsense things that people are trying to tell you get the best of you, because obviously it's not working for you. Oh, here we go. What's up, buddy?
What's going on, man? Oops. No, wait.
I've pretty much come to the conclusion of what Hold of These was doing, and it was following none of the rules. So, I mean, we can do a call right now, but I mean, you guys got to realize, like,
don't waste my time. If you're not following the rules, don't waste my fucking time.
You want to talk more about today's plays, and they would make more sense than Powell? I honestly don't think they will. I mean, if you look at this, I mean, there were so many good traffic light plays on the SPY today. It's almost impossible for you to fuck this up. So yeah, you can call in and do it, but I'm going to tell you right now, like, we've kind of come to the conclusion of what you're doing.
So hold these. You ready to get yelled at? Because if we see something stupid, you ready?
Let's do it.
Oh man, this is your funeral, bro. You got to call in 9785. Wait, let me make sure it's all set up. Let me make sure we're good. 978-545-1348.
Let's do it. All right, guys, smack that like button on the way in, and let's get after it. We got a little bit of time left on the stream too. Let's do it.
Needs it. Well, oh,
you've been trying to upgrade. You keep saying to DM Diana how. All you have to do is go into Market Talk and type at Diana, and then click on it, and then say, I want to upgrade, and then she'll help you.
All right. Waiting for the phone to ring.
978-545-1348.
All right. And you're live. What's going on, brother?
Yo, what's good, Gabe? How you doing? What's up, STV?
What's up, man?
How you doing? I really appreciate it.
Yeah, I mean, I want to make it very clear first that everything that we say from this point on, we are trying to help you. So
yeah,
I don't want you to think
I don't mind you guys being, take it, like, be as hard as you can. I don't care, because I want to be as good as I want to be.
Let's
don't.
All right, as I can.
Call, don't you go ahead and run over a squirrel on purpose or some shit like that, right? It's just.
So I think we've come to the conclusion on what happened on Powell.
I won't.
But let's go through today, because we need to figure out what happened today.
All right, so you know that my account is now, to the 900 levels now. So
yep.
Yeah, I was at 5,000 at first on POW, and then I just got super pissed, and then I went 0 day because I was just like, I'm not getting anywhere.
Wait, did you say 0 days?
Fucked myself.
You said 0 days?
Yeah, I went 0 day on POWs because I lost, like, the knife. I don't know if you guys remember, but the knife. Mm-hmm. On that first day of POW, I don't know if it's the first day, but it was like,
yeah. Well, right. So do you have a paper and pencil handy? You got a paper and pencil handy?
Yes. Actually, no, but I don't have a pencil. I don't have a pen either. But don't worry, I don't need one.
All right. So I want you to go ahead and type this out. Fuck around and find out.
Okay.
We do not play 0 days to expiration. That you are not the exception to the rule, especially if you're a brand new trader. You need as much time as possible, right?
Mhm.
Now the thing is, I have to ask you, what rush are you in? I mean, is your wife dying of cancer? I hope not. Do you need like a liver transplant? I hope not. Like, what's your dire
No, I
situation?
just
What's
have
happening
bills.
here?
I'm not like in deep in bills, so I'm not gonna like cry like that. But I do have like, just minor bills. I think bills to where I need to pay,
Okay.
in a
All
few
right.
months.
So
But I'm not crying about that type of stuff.
all right, cool. I'm glad you're not. So what you're gonna do, right, is you're not gonna play 0 days to expiration anymore. That is just a no-no.
Mhm.
Like, I'm gonna be honest. I fuck around sometimes, and I will do a 0 day, super small position. But you know
Exactly.
what? 9 times out of 10, I'm just like, Gabe, you stupid fuck. Like, why'd you do that? You know what I mean?
Even when
There's
they work.
sometimes when you do hit the winners, you're trying to validate it. We're like, but it does work. But still, at the end of the day, it's like, no. I mean, you just can't do it. That is a no-no. That's number one. Okay.
All right. Okay.
So that is the first issue to your problem. Okay. No more 0 days. You probably, especially when you're starting, you want to give yourself at least a week out, right? So, just give yourself freaking time. That's all we can say. There's so many members in the community who say that the game changed for them when you you they gave themselves time, right? Now Kenny Yu does play 1 minute next day, but I'm pretty sure that Kenny Yu lives and dies by the strategy,
Mhm.
right?
The only way that you are then able to take on a proportionate amount of additional risk is if your discipline and emotional management and your trust in the system is to the highest degree. Because here's the thing, and this is what I know you've done because we've all done this. You have to be able to take a loss. It's part of the game. So what happened on the Powell day, and I don't know if it happened today again, but what happens is that you're in the trade,
Mhm.
it starts to go against you. If you see a traffic light down, then a traffic light up, let's say you get puts, and then it immediately traffic lights up, you have to kill it. Because here is what is going to happen before the play actually comes back into your favor. You will then have to see another traffic light to the downside. So if you think that it's going to go traffic light down, traffic light up, and then knife, odds are that's not going to happen. So it's always going to be best practice to just cut it and then wait for the move. And again, I'm always going to default to this because, and you got to think, what would Rita do? In that scenario, Rita would actually cut, reposition back to the upside and play it back up because she doesn't give a fuck about.
Okay, I'm glad you said that.
Mhm.
All right, I'm glad you said that then, because this is a good example of what you said and it backfired on me.
Mhm.
So can let's take it to AMD and
Yep.
then at 12:15, 1 minute.
12.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. I had it on the 3 minute. I had it on the 3 minute at that time. Excuse me.
12:30.
All right. So, 12. No, actually, yeah, 12:15. It could be, I believe. Yeah, go to the 12:17.
Okay, 12:17. There's no actionable anything.
There's nothing.
So
What
here,
do
here's
you
another one.
got there? What do you got there?
Okay, so this is what I was looking for. So
Yep.
I saw the traffic. All right, no, excuse me. It went put, right? So then it bounced up. It bounced up, and then I was gonna catch another. Excuse me. I was gonna enter in on the put. You saw how the put printed. I was gonna get I was gonna get in on the retest. Excuse me. So
okay, here's where you fucked it up. Just quickly,
yeah.
here's where you fucked it up. What was the move on AMD here? So let's just say you're getting in on here. Let's just say, for example, we got to calculate this move. This is a 1.6% move down. After that, I'm not looking for a retest. It's already made the move. So the next step is, so at this 12:17 area, were you trying to get puts off of a retest of the 1 minute 200?
Yeah,
is that what you were trying to do?
Exactly. Okay. I was trying to get another put. Exactly.
Okay, so even
and
then,
it worked. It worked out though.
It did.
Yeah.
It did. So if you were playing again, I don't know if you were playing 0 days today. If you were, this trade was probably at one point up over 5%. Now, when I see that happen, I'm always scaling out and throwing stops at break even. Now, in this scenario here, even if you fucked it up and you saw, okay, RSI's touching, to price actions touching the 200 EMA and rejecting, you still would have made money on that trade. What you're probably doing is trying to look for the move that happened previously. That's not going to happen. The other thing that you might be doing as well is you have to make sure the traffic lights are confirming, which means that you basically are going to have to use Speed Racer, or you have to wait for this. So when the candle this is going to show you a 1 minute traffic light right here, but this is not the candle you're entering on. Like if you're looking at AMD right here, if you're watching the stream at 12:29, this quote unquote traffic light to the upside, you're not entering on the candle here. You're going to enter on the retest because it's confirming this traffic light, because the traffic lights are going to show up sometimes before the candle actually closes. But you have to make sure that they confirm so that you're not basically going to like get caught in a bait and switch. And then what happens if you do get caught in a bait and switch? Well, you just saw the traffic light. You're going to hope that it comes back in your favor. And what if it rejects and just continues on that trend that you were already in?
SCV, I'm so sorry. My freaking monitor just went out randomly. Like, can you just show me where the where you? Give me 1 second. I'm turning it right back on.
Yeah. Just make sure we're muted.
Yeah, no worries.
So there's going to be a little delay, but it's this traffic light right here. I'm circling it right now.
Okay.
So, and I think
exactly. So right when that happened, oh, sorry.
No. Ask your question first.
So right when that happened, okay, go ahead.
No. Ask your question first because I got something else that we got to go over.
All right. So when it was going into the call, so right there, when it brought up a traffic light to the upside, I put a put. So like I said, begin, and then it went into the call. Then I got knocked out because.
Why would you be getting a put here?
So let me start over. So you said
no. I know you were trying to get the puts here.
The put. Oh, at 12:17, I was trying to get the puts, right?
Yep. Which honestly,
so I did. I entered in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A rejection off the
I entered in,
isn't the dumbest idea in the world, but you have to understand that there's already been a giant move down. It's probably not
exactly.
Right.
Okay.
So
then once I got knocked out, and then I went call.
Hold. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Let's add some structure to this because we're all over the fucking place right now. Mm-hmm. Right. STV, originating traffic light. Where we're at. Let's go. Point of origin.
One. Right here.
Okay. Right here. Mark it. Take your trend line right there. Mark it.
The thingy?
Yeah. Mark it. So let's go ahead and mark that candle. Cool. Great. Now we have a candle marked. Now, what time did you take this? Where are we?
Right here. He tried to enter at 12:17.
I probably.
All right. So you entered
this candle.
All right. So you were entering. Hold on. Because now this is fucking clear as day. You entered there. What side did you enter? Did you enter put side or did you enter call side?
Put side.
You played put side on that.
On this 12:17. Yep.
All right. Now go ahead and hit replay. Replay.
You want to replay it?
Yeah, replay it between the first line and that. There you go. Now let's do the replay. So she's coming on down. Let's see where that candle is, and let's see what the traffic lights are saying by the time it hits that entry.
So the traffic light move is already hit. And like we showed you, it was already too big of a move to then continue. So look at this. This is knifed. Now it's coming back up for a potential retest of the 200. But this is not right there.
Look right there. Now you stop. Now you have the 5 minute showing indecision, right? So if you're paying attention to all your traffic lights before entering this trade, you go to the 5 minute. Now, please go to the 5 minute STV.
So the 5 minutes looking like it's about to come down here. It's flashing that traffic light, but you're seeing price starting to come back up.
But look what the RSI is doing.
Kink.
Right? Is there a level there? Is there a level on the 1, the 3, or the 5? Wait, there you go. You got that level pre-market established right there. Go back. Go back. You got a level there in pre-market.
This one? Oh, this one right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I see it.
There you
From
go.
right
That's
here.
your level. Right? So go ahead, mark that.
Oops. Ah.
You could out H it, but yeah, just mark that. Okay, so now you got a visual cue, right? That even though you got a traffic light to the downside, you do have a level that it has sensitivity to, and the RSI is also showing the same thing. Now go back to the 1.
Oh, that's a perfect balance.
Done. Done.
And this isn't actionable.
It's not.
This is not something that you would trade a whole lot. So what you've basically done here is you've tried to play the continuation of this move when the move was already done.
Yeah.
So the second thing that I want to go over with you here, so let's get a couple of
and here's the other thing on the 1 minute. Even if we were going to use the 1 minute as a guide, your entry was horrible because the genie was telling you weak bearish. It was wait. Let's go back to that point of time. Right. Let's replay it. What's the genie telling you? Weak bearish on both the ADX and the MACD with RSI bullish. You're gonna fuck around and find out. You have these indicators that are telling you the truth. It is telling you the truth that if you weren't in such a rush to enter the play, looked at it at the 5, then came back, you would have been like, okay, the genie's telling me something here. Okay. That would have at the very least kept you out of the trade and or changed your thesis from put to call.
And either way, even aside from all of these things that we've just said, there's no traffic light.
None.
So here's the next thing that I want to go over with you. And it was from something that you said in the earlier stream that in order for you to have success, you have to fix. You said, I don't see how the traffic lights help. Why do you then think now that the traffic lights don't help when you can see on the chart where they trigger and where price then goes preceding the traffic lights?
I got a question. Do you even have this chart?
Yeah, I definitely got your guys' start. I just got the new genie. Like,
okay,
probably a few days.
Good.
Yeah.
So, does your wife hate you? I'm gonna ask you straight up. Does your wife hate you?
No.
No.
I'm not married, but nah.
Wait. You married? You're not married? You got a significant other? Either way,
I'm not married.
No. All right. Do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
All right. Do you do what she tells you to do?
I try sometimes, I guess.
Well, okay. You said you try. You try sometimes. All right. So you try sometimes with her. That's cool. That's cool. You try sometimes with her. You try every time with Rita. You try every time with traffic lights to listen to her. You are not the exception to the rule here. You know what I mean? Like I'm listen, man. I'm not here. I love you. All right. I love you all. This is the reason why I'm hard on you. Right. But please do not go against decades, well, at least for me, worth of research and experience. Right. And think like it doesn't work. Because before we brought this to market, I did it myself. I tested it. I used real money. I made more money last year than I ever did. Okay. I need you to subscribe to it. If the traffic, I'm gonna show you how good the traffic lights work. STV, go. You see how you got let's see what time is that. Basically you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 traffic lights back from current.
Are you asking about this one up here?
No. We're talking about the most recent. The most recent 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's look at this. You go ahead, zoom in a little. I'm going to show you something. Right? You go ahead and you take this traffic light, the originating traffic light, you take it to the upside. There's a level there. You know that's not going to work. So the next traffic light, the minute it starts flickering, you exit. Cool.
Tiny loss.
Tiny loss. Next up, we got another traffic light that pops up after that.
Boom.
Right? So you go ahead. Let's say you take this one, make that move to the downside once again, right? Tiny loss by the time you get to this corrective traffic light. So you could literally go from traffic light to traffic light to traffic light, and you will still end that sequence profitable.
Because of this move right here.
Does that make sense? Hey guys, you're watching this on the stream. Does this make sense to you? You can literally go traffic light to traffic light on that sequence and still be profitable. Right? Then
okay. And you're just saying by just taking the 7%, right? Just take the 7% and just get out, right?
Well, the way
hello,
you would then scale out. So you would scale out some of your position and throw a stop at break even, because you don't know if you're going to hit one of these baby scalp traffic lights or this monster fucking play coming down here. Nobody knows. There's no idea. There's no way to know. There's no way to know if the play is going to be a home run or just a base hit. But you have to approach it as a base hit scalp every single time. So when I see the trade go up let's say it's 7 to 15%, I'm scaling out all the time, throwing stops at break even, and then seeing what happens after. I approach it like Rita every single time, the exact same way. I don't try and like fuck around and see where I can get some weird entry. No, if I like the traffic light, I know where the risk is. It's just another traffic light going the other way, and I know that the risk is going to be small. So what you have to do is, I know.
What if I can't scale out like you guys, because I can't buy like a lot of contracts? Well, not anymore, definitely.
So then,
I can't buy contracts to be scaling out.
You can either trade stocks that allow you to do that, or you just take it at the 7.
That's it.
That's how it works. Or there's another way to do it. If you only have one contract, I mean, you then could technically throw stops at break even and then sell it whenever you want to. But then you're almost treating every single trade like you're trying to hit the home run, and you're not guaranteeing any money. So the best practice is always going to take the base hit. And remember, what is Rita's average gain on every single trade? Like, I mean,
from what I hear, 7%, right?
Yeah, it's between 4 and 6%. So if Rita is able to generate those types of gains that you're seeing in the Rita portfolios with only taking base hits, why would we then decide that we are better than the algorithm that's sparking all of us? Maybe not Gabe, but sparking the rest of us on a day-to-day basis.
She is kicking my ass. Listen, she is kicking my ass. Why know why? Because I'm under constant duress to make sure I get it right. This thing is just proving it out. So what it ends up doing is makes you guys 100% believers. You see? So the way you guys can trade is, I'm in the traffic light and I'm not getting out till I see another one. You could essentially trade that way. Or I see a level, or I'm up 2.5% on the port today. All right, goodbye. Bye, Felicia. We're done. That's it. Easiest money you ever make. Right? She does trade a lot better than me. I only had 20% today, but I would love to make 10% each and every day on fucking average.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Like what I want you to do, like, I understand now, and this is going to be a problem that you're probably going to have to deal with, but you just have to like man the fuck up and say, okay, I've done really stupid shit with my trading account, because that's what's happened. Now you're down to $900 in your account. Cool. You then have to take a step back and say, I'm going to use this $900 to get my feet under me with the fundamentals and build confidence so that I am an adequate money manager when I get back to 5,000, because you weren't when you had the 5. That's what this is. It's learning how to manage money. You sucked at managing the money. Now you have a lower amount of money that you're then going to have to use to build that foundation back up. Can you do it with the traffic lights? Absolutely, you can.
Absolutely.
But what you have to do is take that step back and say, I'm not going to be making what I was before, 1,000, whatever you were making in the market. You then have to like face the reality of, okay, I might make $9 today. But what you're going to do is build that foundation so that when you get back up to 5,000 due to the power of compounding, you're going to be able to take that 5,000 a lot further versus ripping it right back down to 900.
Exactly.
And that's the psychological fix that everybody needs to have. And that it's a tough thing to do, but you're in that situation right now. And it's a necessity, because if you don't, that $900 gone.
Also, since Algo's in the chat, Algo, with all things being relative, right? On average, how many contracts is Rita buying? On average, we know her allocation, but on average, how many contracts is that? We just want to prove out that you don't need to willy-nilly and buy like 100 contracts for this thing to work. Algo, can you get us an average number? Keep in mind she's playing with $100,000, so just keep that in mind. But Algo, help us out here. She's buying 30 to 40 contracts.
Yeah.
Great.
Wow.
So
that's nothing for a $100,000 account.
Yeah. So now you're playing 100 times smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So you're playing 100 times smaller. So based on those numbers, you would only be buying one contract to make it work. And
you can replicate the same results. That's exactly what we want you guys to realize. Like, imagine how you would feel if you were then up 30-something% this week. It may not be a crazy dollar amount, but if you traded smart in the market throughout this week and followed the traffic lights and managed your risk appropriately, you'd view that as a massive win, and you wouldn't give a shit about the dollar amount because you're building that foundation now, versus willy-nilly and trying to do other shit, versus just saying, okay, we know it's simple. We're following the traffic lights. We know exactly where our risk is, and we execute.
This is disgusting.
All right.
OG
so can I just recap on what you guys said?
Yes. Yeah. So the recap is one. I want you to take a step back, and over the weekend, at least I want you to watch the risk management video, the stop loss strategy one, and then all of the other Gabe, I know I see the Rita stuff. We can talk about that in a minute. But the risk management one, the stop loss strategy one, and then both me and Gabe's, the 2 traffic light videos. Those are going to help you a lot in getting your feet under you. And then you can also go back and watch a lot of the other curriculum videos as well. Come back next week, size it down, and make sure that you're trading with good risk management. And you have to come to that realization that you have to think about the long game in managing money.
All right, definitely STV. And thanks, Gabe. I really appreciate you guys' time. It's been a rough week, so I just needed someone to get my head back into the game, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I'm going to take I'm going to take everything you guys said, and I'm going to put it to use, all right? So
awesome, man. If you need anything, just pop in the live chats, pop in Market Talk. We will help you, man.
That's it?
Definitely. All right, you guys. Take it easy. Bye.
Later, man.
Later. Hey, anybody who ever doubted traffic lights, our OG Rita that's absolutely blind to everything and has absolutely no stop, no risk management, no nothing, has damn near turned $100,000 to $200,000.
Is that the 10% or the 7.5%?
That's
Algo. Is that the 10% or is that the 7.5%?
No, that's OG. She has no structure.
No. The OG does have it.
OG Rita.
It just OG. The only thing that OG doesn't have is protect the port.
That's what I'm saying. Really, no risk.
Yeah, but it has the scale outs. The
7.5%
one. That's filthy, bro.
The 7.5% scale out. Jesus Christ.
Yeah, but we still need it to have protect the port. We're not taking that off.
Right. So as it stands, we have Rita in a controlled environment in a virtual situation.
Yeah.
Next week is real money.
Yeah. Next week, there's a final test that we do on Rita when she's ready for prime time. We've created our own virtual simulation with it. That's like pinpoint laser focus on fills and everything. We just need one last test for it, and then she's ready for prime time. But all Rita is doing, guys, is following the traffic lights around. Again, here's this QR code right here. It's going to hide Gabe, but there you guys go. Scan that QR code. Hold on. I'll throw the link in the live chat for you guys here too. But here you guys go, man. I mean, the $5 for your first month for this strategy. She hits 170% gainers. That's with the stop loss strategy. Why do you guys think? Guys, that's with the stop loss strategy. Why the fuck do you think I talk about that all the time? Because you're able to make sure you're guaranteeing your gains and trade for free.
We're done here.
We are done here, bro. Hop into the platform or don't. You guys want to continue losing money? Fucking go somewhere else.
Go somewhere else. We're original Rita 10% is up 40,000 off the recent moves.
Jesus. That's insane. That is insane. Gabe, I got to run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds.
I'll keep them entertained.
I'm going to be gone for like less than a minute.
Dude, wash your hands.
I will. All right. Hit that like button. Slackers.
Slackers. All right. So really, I mean, like, what are we going to argue against? Like, we put the strategy in a vacuum. Uh-oh. Algo's like, check your phone. Are you sending me nudes? You're sending me nudes? Let me see. Yeah. She... Jesus Christ. Come on. Can you look at the SPY? Well, we're looking at AMD, and STV left me locked on his screen, so I can't do anything. I mean, I guess I can entertain you guys. Let me see what I could do. Here we go. 1 second.
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Dude,
it's me! Hammer!
Oh, that was good. Dude, I mean, fucking Rita's the truth. We just use Rita to showcase the traffic lights for you guys. You're welcome. I mean, they're fucking nasty. I can't.
Oh, man.
Okay, we're keeping protect the port on it, though. I'm not. If you want to willy-nilly it without the protect the port, that's on you. I want protect the port on mine.
Oh man. All right, guys. So if STV and myself end up missing over the next 6 months, it just know it's against our will.
Yeah, I would never, you know what, myself.
Yeah. Jesus Christ.
That's insane, dude.
Jesus fucking Christ.
You'll marry? Nah, bro. We're marrying Rita. Gabe and I are gonna have to share Rita.
Well,
maybe I'll take her
as long as we're not touching swords, bro.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, you can have Rita. You can have Rita during the day, and I'll take her later. No, Ryan, I can't say that on the stream.
Just make sure you wash her like you wash your hands. That's all I'm asking, bro. Because if you get her last,
she's gonna have to decide that. Plus, you're the one that has her during the day.
Yeah, but I know how to treat women. You're just like, all right, I'm done. Bye. Get the fuck off me.
Back to work. I gotta watch the trading account now.
Oh man.
Dude, Jesus, that's insane. Christ. Again, guys, you want to upgrade to the 3-year to make sure you're getting Speed Racer before everybody else, just reach out to Diana. She'll help you guys in there. But I mean, looking at SPY here, you got this most recent traffic light on this retest. Boom. How many more dollars was this here? Oh, another $1.64. That puts the total on the recent SPY moves over $10 in the afternoon that you guys could have hit with the traffic lights, dude. Money print city, man. Here comes the SPY. Dude, imagine they get this thing back above 390 somehow.
Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
It's also Friday. Rita was never ours. It was just our turn. Dude, I just said thinking of that. It's almost like when the teacher had like a stuffed animal or like something, and you would like go and take care of it for a night. It's like like in the classroom. You guys ever have that where there was like something where like like a plant or something, you had to like take it home and take care of it, and then do a project and then bring it back. Was that just me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Dude, this is so nuts. The money being made with the 1 minute traffic lights and Speed Racer, bro. Oh my god, this is insane. Rita made $88,500 today. Whoa, 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 whoa. Algo, which one? What percentage is that up today? Hold on. Hold your fucking horses. I mean, it makes sense with all these moves, but like, Jesus Christ. It's a real thing? Yeah, see, Tor knows the deal. It's a Connecticut thing. Hold on, Algo. 74? Oh, because it hit this. It hit these two moves. Gabe, I think we did it.
Yeah, we just broke the market.
Yeah.
We just broke the market.
So let me throw this link in here for you guys again. And the funniest thing is that when we talk about Rita, and I will say this like a broken record, everybody has access to the things that Rita's looking at to trade. It's just traffic lights, guys. That's all it is.
That's all it is. Yeah, fun fact. So the captain, Ivan, he made 2.5% on the port in 12 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, he was recapping me. He said you and him were going back and forth.
Yeah, he was trying to one up me, and I had to prove a point.
Of course. Of course. And then Rita happened.
Yeah, and then Rita just said, yeah, fuck all of you guys. I'm gonna make 70% in a day.
I thought I was killing it with 19.
I thought I was killing it with 5.5.
Jesus Christ. Oh.
Woo!
Huddle, just keep trying, bro.
Yeah, we got you, man. You have any questions, you let us know. We're always here to help everybody.
Yeah. Man.
Do we know Rita's exact rules for getting in and out of the play? I mean, I do. And we teach it to you every single day. We're not going to walk you exactly through Rita. That would take too long, but it's everything that we teach you guys every single day. One of the reasons why we made these algorithms, guys, is because one, we're probably the only group of people that has a strategy that's back testable and replicatable, which then we can create algorithms based off of. So then what we did was say, okay, we're going to basically program into Rita the way Gabe and I trade. So then what happened is that we added in the stop loss strategy to it with different levels at which it's going to implement the stop loss strategy. Then that started working really well. And then we saw Rita have like wild days, like that 70% gain that you guys see there. But then if it chops around, you'll lose it. So then what we decided is, okay, what do Gabe and I also do? Protect the port.
Mm-hmm.
So we programmed that into it as well. And now it's go time. But again, like Rita's what we teach you guys every single day. So, I mean, shit works. What are you going to say now? Everything works.
It just works. The system works. You don't.
Mm-hmm.
And it's really just a matter of believing the system or not. That's it. You guys just have to cross that threshold, right? Where it's like, okay, fine, I just believe it.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Again, we could, and this actually makes a really, really good point, right? So Rita absolutely murdered it on a trending market, trending down as she should, right? Rita has been crafted in the worst type of market imaginable, right? It's been crafted in the worst market imaginable, guys. So the sooner you accept her as your port savior, the sooner you will start printing.
Randy committed himself to it today and did his best ever. Fuck it. Randy, I know you've been struggling a little bit. That's fucking awesome, dude. I love that, man. Again, guys, You guys heard Phoenix. You guys have seen the millionaire interviews. It's time. Why not you? That's kind of what I think here at this point. Like, why not you? It's almost like we're dealing with a bunch of flat earthers when we know the fucking earth is round. Don't fucking say it in the live chat, team. Don't be morons. Like, guys, we show you every single day it works really well. It's up to you then to come and take advantage of it, because we're just going to be sitting here in Print City and you can come join us or not. But that's awesome, Randy. Congratulations.
Oh, man.
I like green.
Yeah.
I thought orange would be cool. I thought maybe a lighter orange. That one's kind of dark.
The world is shaped in 1348. I mean, it just does, guys. I'm all out, bro. It's 3:00. You should be done as well.
Yeah. I usually cut it off at 3.
Good. You got 5 minutes. And then we go bye-bye. Listen, the weekend is upon each and every one of you. If you want to go ahead and set yourself up for success starting next week, you want to start trading with me at 9:15 in the morning, starting Monday, upgrade to the 3-year plan or be an OG lifetime.
Yeah.
When we do this, guys, you have to understand, I am playing traffic light to traffic light. We're just going in, we're going out, we're going in, we're going out. You're going to get your 2-stroke on like a mofo.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
It's not, and I don't want anybody thinking that it's follow trading. That's not what it is. Gabe's not going to be saying, oh, I'm entering here. It's just going to be literally a clinic of watching the traffic lights, and so that you guys can learn. It's almost like a live masterclass in the mornings.
Exactly. Guys, you got to reach out to Diana in the Discord if you want your upgrade. And I advise you do, because next week you could literally change. Hold on. If you don't change, proper words, you're not going to be a millionaire next week by doing what we're doing. But it will change your perspective so profoundly that you give yourself a fighting chance within the next 2 to 3 years.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You spent your whole life just like trying to figure out what was that thing that was going to take you to the next level, and it's right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Go get yourself some 3 years, guys. It's happening starting Monday at 9:15.
I got you guys on Wednesday nights.
There you go.
You guys are getting a lot more content over there.
Yo, man, you're going to get a lot more. But the thing is, guys, we believe, listen, you guys really understand how much we're diluting ourselves. We believe in this so much that we're actually creating more and more content and making ourselves more and more available simply because we believe in this system more and more and more and more. But the thing is our prices aren't changing as of yet. So essentially, we're diluting ourselves for the value that we're providing.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure you secure it while it's cheaper than it will ever be.
Mm-hmm.
And this is just a fact.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, I'm signing out. STV, good show.
I think we'll wrap it up here too, team. It's a Friday. I'll throw the QR code up on the screen while we're leaving, and I'll throw that link for you guys in the 90% off your first month for those of you guys sitting out on the sidelines. Again, you guys want to go to 3-year, just go into the Discord and market talk to @Diana. I'd like to upgrade. She will help you guys. But again, after about 4 p.m. today, she's not going to be able to help you out with that. It's a Friday. Let the woman be. So, team, that's going to wrap it up for us today. QR code's on the screen as we dip out of here. What a fucking awesome week, man. What an awesome week. All right, team. See you this weekend in the masterclass.